It is greeting. This is Matt Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can change our Chrome browser, the background of our Chrome browser, right? Because sometimes maybe look a bit normal or you just want a little color to show it. I'm going to be guiding you through this particular process and see how best you can do that. Right, first we have here Chrome browser right here, which can actually right click and open. If you notice right down here, this is the Chrome browser. I'm going to bring it up. If you notice the Chrome browser look a little bit whitish board and all of that. So we want to put a little color tweet and push it up. Right? So we want to come all the way down here to the right, there's a customize Chrome. We're going to click on that. Right? Notice it bring up all of these window here, which is a customize this page, shortcut, and color theme. Right? If I come right here and I click on this here, right? Like that, you find a lot more with actually show up. I'm going to click on this. Notice, look at the background. It looks like if I click on done, it will actually change. Right? It actually change. So let me go back again. Right, look at it. Right, good, nice. This is how it looks like this. I'm going to click it again. And I'm going to choose something else. I can come right here. I can actually scroll down here. Right, I'm going to click on this. Now see, and then to bring up some more right here in which I can actually use and actually choose from also. Right, so very important. So if you notice this background, right? So as soon as they come up, you click on it, you have to click done. If you don't click on done, it won't show. So if I click this one, notice it's actually changed on here. Right, very important. But if you come right here, say you have theme and color, you can come right here and click theme and color right here. Right? You can say here, get a different custom, or you can come right here and cancel that. Or you can come here again, come back and give it a nice color, nicer color. Right, you're going to look at some pants on river. Right, you're going to click on this one, and then you're going to click you're done. Right, you're going to see exactly what it looks like. Looking quite nice. Now with that, good. So you can go back again, so you can get a theme, a color theme. Alright, if I click here on the color theme, alright, I want to pay close attention to up here. Alright, so when I click there, you notice up here to change completely. Right, so I'm going to click right here, you notice up here to change completely again. Alright, so I'm going to click this one, I'm going to click on done. So this is where we have a nice background here. Nice, pretty background. That's all we actually change this background. So if you have learned something from this video, just write a comment and share it with your friends. It's very important.